Justin Baltazar could miss the Converge 4 to 5 games, because the MPBL finals between Pampanga and Quezon can run until December 15. Ipinaliwanag ni PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial na hindi na umano kasalanan ng liga kung hindi makapaglaro agad sa PBA ang first overall pick. Hanggang ngayon kasi ay hindi pa naglalaro sa Converge Fiber X-Ear si Justin Baltazar. PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial clarified that it is not the league's fault. The top overall pick Justin Baltazar will miss the Converge Fiber X-Ear's first few games in the Commissioner's Cup. Marcial explained that the Fiber X-Ears were aware when drafting Baltazar that he could only join them by December at the latest, as he remains committed to the Pampanga Giant Lanterns in the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League or MPBL. Marcial remark followed observations from PBA fans that the Fiber X-Ears' first 4 games in the Commissioner's Cup are scheduled while Justin Baltazar is still playing for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns in the MPBL finals. The Fiber X-Ears are set to face the Terry Firmagip on November 27. Guest Team Hong Kong Eastern on November 29. Magnolia Chicken Hotshots on December 1. And Northport Batang Pier on December 12. Meanwhile, the best of 5 MPBL national finals between the Giant Lanterns and the Quezon Huskers will start on December 1. And could run until December 15 if the series reaches the full distance. Justin Baltazar debut for Converge will be delayed again. The MPBL is expected to go until December. And Pampanga, where Baltazar plays, reaches the finals. He won't be able to play at the start of the Commissioner's Cup.
Kamusta mga idol? Three Brothers TV para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang notification bell at subscribe button para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.